To perform a bird dog, first you'll need to get down on all fours. From there, you're going to create intra-abdominal pressure, draw your ribcage down slightly so that you're in a brace neutral position, and you're going to try to maintain this position throughout the entire movement. Next, you're going to raise one leg and the opposite arm until they're parallel with your torso. Flex your glute hard at the top and ensure that your hips and shoulders remain square. Then you're going to lower your arm and your leg while you use your abdominals and hip flexors to pull your leg in further. And that is one rep of a bird dog.